Installing a Lenovo Neptune processor direct water cooling module. If necessary, remove the screws that secure the firmware and ROT security module. Align the screw holes on the hose holder with the screw holes on the firmware and ROT security module, and also align the guiding pins of the holder with the holes on the rear wall. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the hose holder to the system I/O board. Install the DWCM on the system board assembly. Align the triangular mark and screws on the cold plate assembly with the triangular mark and threaded posts on the processor socket, and then install the cold plate assembly on the processor socket. Fully fasten all 12 screws in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate assembly. Note: the torque required to fully tighten the screws is 1.25 to 1.45 Nm, 11 to 13 inch-pounds. Turn the screws to unlock the handle. Separate the handle from the DWCM. Remove the handle from the new DWCM. Install the 2 cold plate covers by pressing the covers down. Place the 2 hoses and the liquid detection sensor module on the hose holder. Place the middle part of the hose against the blue latch, and then insert the outlet hose and the inlet hose into the holder. Check the guiding labels on the hoses before installation, and align the labels with the front edge of the hose holder. The hoses might obstruct open connectors on the system board assembly. Insert the liquid detection sensor module into the holder beside the hoses. Make sure that the side with a status LED is facing up, and route the cable as shown. Connect the cable of the liquid detection sensor module to the connector on the system board assembly. Align the riser card with the riser slot on the system board assembly. Carefully press the riser card straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Fasten the screw to secure the riser cage. Install the top cover.